How would you feel if you know that you can never run out of things to say to a girl while flirting with her? Would you feel powerful? Would you feel confident? Take a note of this feeling, because this feeling is going to change your life. But if you start going on YouTube and searching things like how to always run your mouth while flirting, how to never run out of things to say, then you're just confessing to yourself that you do not have the confidence, you do not have the competence and the power to always talk. And these feelings are going to create your reality. Feeling is the secret. Neville Goddard said this. Do not ever forget that. If you feel doubtful of your own ability to hold a conversation, if you feel incompetent of your ability to hold a conversation while flirting with a girl, then this doubt, then this lack of power is going to actually take form in your visible world. Now, when you're actually talking to the girl in your visible world, your doubt will actually materialize. You will not know the right things to say to a girl. But if you can be in a feeling of power, if you can sustain the feeling of confidence, then in the visible world, when the girl appears, you will be compelled to utter the right kinds of words, to exhibit the right kinds of body language, and to actually get the girl. Because feeling is the secret. I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was into game, I was into pickup. I used to listen to videos like this on how to never run out of things to say to a girl. And I had a girlfriend. And I thought all these pickup techniques, all these dating advice that I learned from pickup gurus actually helped me get this girl. But during COVID lockdown, as I was suffering from anxiety and panic attacks, I had to turn inwards. I broke up with my girlfriend. I started to meditate. And I realized one thing, and that is these outer game tactics, these verbal game tactics, these pickup tricks never really worked. It was my vivid imagination and feelings that I had in my body while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my visible world. It's all feelings. If you can feel the emotions of power, if you can feel the emotion of confidence, if you can sustain this emotion of joy, and you assign this feeling to an imaginal act where you're holding conversation with a girl, where you're just effortlessly flirting, where she is looking up at you and she has her pupils dilated because she's so attracted to you, or she's touching you, or she's wanting to kiss you, then this imagination is going to actually happen in your real world. Feeling is the secret. Do not ever forget this. If you understand this spiritual principle, then you do not have to listen to 1,000 different pickup artists and dating gurus on YouTube. They do not know what they are talking about. They do not understand that their physical, visible reality is completely controlled by their own imagination and feelings. Now, I'm going to tell you one meditation that will multiply the effect that your feelings is going to have in your visible world. If you do this telepathy meditation correctly, then one night you are going to feel all of these elevated emotions of confidence, of power. You're going to sleep, and the next morning you are actually going to be a changed human being. You will actually just know the right things to say. Not even you. The girl also will lose her free will, and she will be compelled to notice you, to find you funny, to actually be attracted to you. So this telepathy meditation starts with Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra, or non-sleep deep rest protocol, is a process where you guide your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. This is when your breathing rate slows down. When your breathing rate slows down, your brainwaves slow down. Right now, your brain is producing beta brainwaves. But when you do yoga nidra correctly, your brain is going to produce this slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves. Now you're able to think in pictures, you're able to visualize or imagine vividly. So after you do yoga nidra, you are going to imagine that you're already talking to the girl that you like, and she's so attracted to you. She's saying, "Oh my God, you just know the right things to say. Oh my God, how are you so funny?" And you're taking her in your arms in your imaginal act. You're kissing her in this imagination. And you provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act, the things that you can see or hear, the things that you can taste, smell, and touch. That way, this imagination becomes very real to your brain. Your brain cannot distinguish between an imaginal act and an experience that you have in your visible world. So, the third step is holding your attention on this imaginal act and mentally rehearsing it over and over again until you start to feel the feelings of confidence or power or satisfaction or thrill. Because when you mentally rehearse this vivid imaginal act, you're actually going to feel like this has already happened. And when you feel like the girl is already in your arms, the girl is already saying, "Oh my God, you just know the right things to say," then you're definitely going to feel powerful or confident. So do this telepathy meditation for at least 1 month. Why? Because you have to train the faculty of your imagination, of your attention, of your body's capacity to hold positive feelings of joy or confidence or power. Because a normal human being cannot vividly imagine. He cannot place his attention on the desired imaginal act. His attention has a very monkey like nature. It goes from here to another future worst case scenario. A normal human being has practiced feeling unworthy or bored or negative emotion for such a long period of time that it is difficult for him to feel confidence, to feel power. So invest in yourself for at least 1 month. And one day you're going to land this imagination plus feeling in your subconscious mind. And suddenly your feeling is going to take form in your visible world. You're going to feel all of this confidence, all of this power, because in your imaginal act, you can properly hold a conversation. In your imaginal act, the girl is already in love with you. And this imaginal act will actually get materialized in your three-dimensional world because you have already felt the feeling of, of power, of confidence through the mental rehearsal. So this is how you actually use your imagination and feeling, which are your only real power, to change your dating life. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I'm going to teach you how to strongly upgrade your imaginal faculty, your attention, your emotions, so that you can completely disregard the pickup techniques and outer game techniques and all these things that do not actually work, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.